Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, NexTutorial, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you the ways on how to factory reset your Samsung Galaxy A13 5G. This particular device should work on any similar devices from any other service providers. As you see, this one has a passcode, so we're going to turn it off, and when you try to turn it off it won't let you because it has the passcode. So we're going to force shut off the device. So what you want to press, the volume down and the power. We're going to press these two buttons for about 5 to 10 seconds to force shut off the device. So go ahead and press them. Keep holding until the device is completely off. Then I will show you what to do next to get to the recovery screen. So press the volume up key, then press the power to turn the phone back on. As soon as you see the Samsung Galaxy logo, release the power, keep holding the volume up key. Once you get to the screen right here, you want to use the volume down to navigate. Scroll down to wipe data factory reset, then press the power key to confirm. Scroll down to the second option and press the power key once again. It's going to wipe and format the data. And once that is done, you want to scroll down to where it says Wipe Cache Partition. Press the power key to confirm. Scroll down to Yes. And it'll take a couple seconds. Once it's done, you can go ahead and reboot your device. This is it, guys. This is the end of my video for the day. If you found this video helpful to you, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos. And thank you guys for your support. I will see you next time.